the King. There's a day that's coming, written in the sky, when the clouds will open and the Lord draws nigh. Every eye will see him, every knee will bow. The King of all creation is returning now. No more waiting, no more nights. The morning breaks with holy light. Can you hear it rising? Can you feel it in the air? Heaven's about to open, and he's almost here. Gloria, when the trumpet sounds. Gloria, every chain falls down. Gloria, as the skies roll back. Jesus is coming, and he's coming back. Gloria, for the final victory. Gloria, through all eternity. Lift your voice and let it ring. Gloria to the King. Oh yeah. The dead in Christ will rise first, just like he said. Then we who remain will meet him overhead. No more sorrow, no more pain, no more tears will fall again. The battle's over, the war is won. Behold the Lamb, the risen Son. Can you hear it rising? Can you feel it in the air? Heaven's about to open, and he's almost here. Gloria, when the trumpet sounds. Gloria, every chain falls down. Gloria, as the skies roll back. Jesus is coming, and he's coming back. Gloria, for the final victory. Gloria, through all eternity. Lift your voice and let it ring. Gloria to the King. Every tribe and every tongue will join the everlasting song. Holy, holy is the Lord, who was and is to come. The kingdoms of this world become the kingdom of our God and of his Son. Gloria, when the trumpet sounds. Gloria, every chain falls down. Gloria, as the skies roll back. Jesus is coming, and he's coming back. Gloria, for the final victory. Gloria, through all eternity. Lift your voice and let it ring. Gloria, Gloria to the King. Gloria, Gloria, Gloria to the King. When the trumpet sounds.